Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two popular drones, the high-flying Istone HS720G and the budget-friendly istone S5. Let's dive into the details and see which one takes the crown. First, let's talk about price. The Istone HS720G is priced at $299, making it a more premium option. On the other hand, the istone S5 is a budget-friendly choice at just $119. If you're looking to save some cash but still want a functional drone, the istone S5 might catch your eye. But remember, you often get what you pay for. When it comes to camera quality, the Istone HS720G boasts a 4K EIS camera with a 2-axis gimbal, ensuring stable and high-quality footage. Reviewers appreciate the clear images and smooth videos it captures. Meanwhile, the istone S5 offers a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. While decent for its price, users have reported issues like grainy images and poor video quality. Next, let's compare flight time. The Istone HS720G offers 26 minutes of flight time, which is quite impressive. Reviewers have praised its stability and performance during flights. The istone S5, however, provides a combined 30 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. While it may outlast the HS720G, users have reported issues with connectivity and stability, especially in windy conditions. In terms of user-friendliness, the Istone HS720G comes packed with features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold, making it beginner-friendly. Reviewers have found it easy to use and set up. The istone S5 also offers features like one-key start, landing, and hand gesture controls, but some users have found the instructions unclear and the app more useful than the controller. When it comes to portability, the Istone HS720G is lightweight and folds up nicely for travel, making it a great companion for spontaneous trips. Reviewers appreciate its compact design. The istone S5 is even more compact and can easily fit into a backpack. If portability is a priority, the istone S5 might be more convenient. Lastly, let's look at GPS and safety features. The Istone HS720G comes with a powerful GPS module, optical flow positioning, and emergency stop, providing a secure flying experience. Reviewers have praised its reliability and the effectiveness of its return-to-home feature. The istone S5 lacks advanced GPS features, but does come with a foldable design and carrying case. However, users have reported issues with stability and losing the drone in windy conditions. Overall, reviewers find the Istone HS720G to be a well-rounded drone with excellent camera quality, stability, and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. The istone S5, while affordable and portable, has received mixed reviews with concerns about its camera quality, stability, and reliability. So which drone will you choose? The feature-packed Istone HS720G or the budget-friendly istone S5? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more comparisons. Check out the description for product links. Until next time, happy flying!